Hello, my beautiful glam style family. First of all, Happy New Year and welcome to the first video of the year. My name is Araceli and I hope 2022 is treating you absolutely amazing. In today's video, I'm so excited to be sharing with you how I turned my Christmas tree into a Valentine's tree. So without further ado, here it goes. A very glamorous Valentine's tree decor, a glam style. So here's all the accessories that I'm going to be using. Some of these are from the 99-cent store and some of these are from the Dollar Tree. Like for instance, this beautiful little pillows are from the 99-cent store, and this little glittery pink hearts are from the Dollar Tree, along with these champagne glasses. I only have two, so we'll see how I incorporate them into the tree. I also have this red and pink heart picks that my husband found at the 99-cent store. They are absolutely beautiful, along with this other red little heart picks from the same store. And right over here, I have this love signs that I found at the Dollar Tree that now we know everything's $1.25 and it's not $1 anymore. From the same store, I have this red ribbon. This is from the Christmas collection along with the gold one. The pink ribbon is from the 99-cent store and the pink mesh is from the Dollar Tree. This 3 bundles I bought this year, and the other one that's right on this side I bought last year. And then right over on this side in this Ziploc bag, I have all the little ornaments that we DIY'd last year for our Valentine's tree. I will be leaving the link to that video in the description below. Right over on this side, I have this red tinsel hearts with little lips. I have 4 of these and I found these at the 99-cent store. I also bought this red glittery heart picks from Hobby Lobby. There's 6 in a pack and they were less than $3. From the 99-cent store, I also picked up these 2 little cupids. They're so cute, I couldn't pass them up. And also from last year, I have this love signs and this red glittery hearts. And right over in this bag, I have all my red roses, also from last year. And now that I've shown you everything that I'm going to be using, let's start decorating the tree. Okay, so whenever I start decorating a tree, I like to start by adding the ribbon or the mesh. And this time, I'm going to be adding it in a diagonal pattern, holding the mesh with the little branches, just like we did with the New Year's Christmas tree. Once I was done with the mesh, I started adding the pink ribbon, and I just started adding it in a curled way or a swirly, if you will, just like it came out of the package. It was really simple, and if you have any trouble, all you have to do is roll it back up and then extend it. Hopefully I'm explaining myself right. You'll see what I do right now because this other one did untangle, so I had to roll it back up and then pull it. Super simple, and it looks so beautiful. Then I also added the red ribbon just like I did with the pink one, but this one I just added a little bit because I didn't want the red to overpower the pink. Okay, here comes the accessories. One thing that I do want to share with you is if you're decorating any tree, always start by adding the big accessories first and work yourself from largest to smallest. This is going to make your tree more cohesive and well balanced. Not to mention that it's going to make your tree look fuller, because while you're using your larger ornaments to be your focal point, the smaller ornaments will be used as fillers. Now I'm going to be covering up the legs of the tree with fake snow. And y'all want to know a little secret? This isn't fake snow. While it looks like fake snow, it's just the inside of some pillows that I had bought at Sam's and I didn't like them. So I decided to open them up and use the filling as fake snow because I wasn't just about to throw my money away. Once I was done fixing the pillow guts, I decided to add some red little hearts to finish with my Valentine's aesthetic. And this is the final look. I hope you guys like it and try it out for yourselves. It's a pleasure as usual to be able to share with you my passion for decor. I really hope this video inspires you, or at the very least gives you some ideas, especially if you haven't removed your Christmas tree. You could just add some little details, some little hearts, and voila, you have your Valentine's Christmas tree. Okay, well, that's it for this video, my dolls. Love you, God bless you, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.